So today we are going to be having some fun with these water beads that are fully made. Let them sit for 8 hours. You're supposed to let them sit for 4 hours, but I wanted to see if they would get any bigger after a while. So we're going to be smashing them and talking a little bit about them. So I want to explain something. So what's inside of these water beads is this gel. It's called petroleum. There's petroleum gases and gel in this. So when you get to release water to it, when you get to release the water, you have to squeeze and you rub it on the ground, or you can put it in a pot about 1,000 degrees and it will release the water. So what you do with these is they're little beads when you get them, and there's the inside. They're just full of water, and you let them sit for a while and they absorb a whole bunch of water. Alright, so take a look at that real quick. We got a whole bunch of different colors here. They absorb water and they're nice and juicy. As you can see right here. Smash them. Just turn, look at that really closely. Looks like candy. Cotton candy being crushed, or party cake color. Alright, and here's a purple one alone. Alright, there you go. So, I don't really have anything else to talk about, so what are we going to do with all these Orbeez whatever. What do I do with them all? So today we're going to smash them. The rest, I'll show you a couple little fun tricks of how to do that. We're going to set the camera right here. And you can see this brown rust spot right here is the aim where I'm going to be throwing it. Or around this area. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I don't know if you got that, but we'll smash a whole bunch. You probably, when you put it up, you have a better view. It's too ready, I guess. Alright, here we go. There we go. Let's keep doing it. Let's do a whole bunch at a time. Whoa! Did you see that? Let's do another group. Whoa! Okay, let's do one more group. Oh wow. Let's do another group. But Orbeez are everywhere. Alright, so here we go. I'm almost out of them. Keep going. Let's do one more group, and then I'll do some more experiments with the rest later. There's one more group. Alright. I'll let you guys see the rest. Here they are. Show all of the results. There's one there that survived. One there that survived. Whole bunch over there. Alright, we still got these. So let me squeeze some in my hand. Look at all that. Alright. So we still have a few. But I'm going to end the video now. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share with your friends. You have a wonderful day. Peace out.